service of China Radio International. We've now reached the end of this 1-hour program, and we hope you've enjoyed it. If you have any comments or suggestions, you'd like a program schedule, or if you'd like to know the frequency for your area, write to us at the English Service, China Radio International, Beijing, China. The postal code is 100040. Or you can reach us by email at crieng@cri.com.cn. You can also visit our website at english.cri.com.cn for more news and other information about China and the rest of the world. On behalf of the CRI team here in Beijing, this is Wang saying goodbye and thanks for joining us.